Hey guys, I made you a full guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to the Phantom wallet, and this is going to be step by step. And just an important reminder before we actually start. So the Phantom wallet is mainly built for Solana based tokens and does not support a native XRP. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a token bridge, okay? And we'll convert the XRP into a Solana compatible version, which is WXRP. Don't worry, we'll get more into this. So first, of course, log into Coinbase, go to Assets, select your XRP, tap on Send, and just enter the amount you want to transfer. Now look, since Coinbase does not allow direct bridging or native withdrawal to Solana, you'll actually need to send XRP to an external wallet or exchange that basically supports bridging. For example, we have Binance. Binance lets you do that. We have other, self-custody wallets. You can do that as well. And then what you do is you just use the cross-chain bridge, like a portal bridge, used to be called a wormhole, to just wrap your XRP into WXRP on Solana. So you just go to portalbridge.com from a browser where your Phantom wallet is connected, and then you select storage chain as the network where your XRP currently is. For example, XRP Ledger or Binance Smart Chain, which is BSC for short, if you swapped it there first. And the target chain, I want you to choose Solana and the asset as XRP, okay? Then you just paste your Phantom wallet address as the destination and just confirm the transfer and wait for the bridging process to complete. And of course, guys, to add your wrapped XRP to Phantom, your WXRP, you just open the Phantom wallet extension or app and then tap on the plus icon, or you just go to the manage token list and add the wrapped XRP token using the correct Solana contract address, okay? Now, after the bridging is complete, your WXRP will actually show in Phantom. And just a bonus tip, always, guys, bridge test a small amount. And it takes a few minutes to complete, depending on the network traffic. So you don't have to worry too much if it doesn't happen within a minute. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution.